magic? Let's go!
Hi, friends! Welcome back to our super fun science lab.
Today we've got something amazing in the air. Literally.
Just here to make sure no silly trouble happens, as usual.
Ooh.
Ooh, hi! Let's make something awesome! Wait! Don't touch that! Professor is going to get a big surprise!
Great Einstein's beard! My hair is a fluffy cloud! Great Scott! The static charge is incredible!
If you love silly science fun, hit the subscribe button right now! We're magic wizards!
Whoa, okay, this is way less fun than I thought. Officer Penny, on site. Did someone just summon a fun lightning bolt?
It's not lightning, Penny. It's the magic static electricity. Meet the electrons. They're our tiny cute friends, and they're the ones who make the fun zap magic happen. When
Welcome
Professor
back.
rubs the carpet,
Ready
he
for some
catches lots of
static
these tiny electron
Let's
friends.
go.
That's where the magic comes from. Hey! They are pulling my hand! It tickles! Opposites attract. It's like a tiny invisible hug between best friends. Wow! My hair is a power station! Look at me! I'm a magnet! I'm a paper wizard! That's cool. But watch this. Static can even bend water. When we rub two things together, like a balloon and hair, the negative charges jump. And that's static electricity. Opposite charges stick together, like magnets. Whoa! It works! It's static sticky magic!
That's so cool. Even my badge sticks to it.
And do you know what else? Same charges push each other away. That's why hair stands up.
That's why all our hair and Arya's fur went all spiky. The charges are pushing each other apart. And that little zap we feel? That's densely the charges jumping back to where they belong. Can you wave at me if you've ever felt a static zap before?
Look at this! Static electricity can move things without even touching them.
You can even do this at home with a balloon and some paper.
We're static superheroes! Static electricity is everywhere, even when you take off your sweater on a dry day. It's okay, Arya. It's just static. It doesn't hurt. So now you know, that silly static zap isn't magic, it's awesome science.
Brilliant science, if I do say so myself.
Now I know why my hair sticks to my hat in winter.
Welcome back! Ready for some static magic? Let's go!
Let's do a super easy static experiment you can do at home. First, tear a piece of paper into tiny little bits. Next, rub your balloon on a sweater or even your hair. Now hold it over the paper. Watch what happens. Whoa!
It works! It works! We're science wizards! Even grown-ups can have fun with this easy experiment.
You can even stick your balloon to the wall. It will stay there for hours.
So let's remember, rubbing the balloon gives it extra negative charges. Opposite charges stick together. That's why the paper sticks to the balloon.
And same charges push apart. That's why our hair went all spiky.
And that little zot, that's the charges jumping back home. Let me know in the comments. Did you try our experiment?
So you never miss our wacky, wonderful science adventures.
Subscribing helps us make more fun science videos for you.
And if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Even Arya loves our static science fun. hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell.
Hooray!
Subscribe, or we'll zap you with static.
Next time, we're diving into a brand new science adventure.
Wait, why does one sink and one float? That's so weird.
We're unlocking the mystery of buoyancy. Why things float or sink.
Oh no! Professor in trouble! Subscribe to see what happens next!
So much fun! You won't want to miss it. It's going to be splashtastic. Thank you so much for watching, science friends.
See you next time.
We'll never mess with static again, maybe.
Tell me in the comments, have you ever felt a static zap?
See you next time for more super cool science fun.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time for more super cool science. Bye.
Welcome back! Ready for some static magic? Let's go!
Next episode, The Secret of Floating. Why do heavy things stay up?